Hi, All Bones here. I just thought I'd give you a rundown and a view of how some of the parts that we make are done. So I've got my trusty old 1930s wood capstan lathe here. Fantastic machine, and it's exactly the same as the machines that would have built all the components for the BSA Bantam. So the nuts that we're making are these nuts that go on your bottom yokes on your Bantam forks. I've never had new stock, and I'm just about depleted all my second-hand stock. So a few people have been asking for them. So having old machines like this gives us the capability to do small-scale production runs to be able to reproduce these. I don't think there's too many places that have actually got them on the shelf at the moment. So I'll reposition the camera and you can have a look and see how we punch one of these out. So basically it's a center drill, drill it, inside chamfer, so that when I tap it, the tap will go through nice clean on the thread, turn the outside diameter, chamfer it again, part it off. So yeah, so this is how we do it. Okay, so I realise some of my head will be chopped off in this, but this is basically how we do it. So I'll bring the material out of the chuck. I actually have a collar chuck for this. It's not tight, so it allows me to push the stock forward. So that sets how far out. That sets how far out the piece of material has to be. So we start it, tooling on. So we're doing a centre drill, which helps guide the main drill in. So this drill is the tapping drill size for the 516 BSF that'll be cut up the centre of it. That's done. Chamfer. Turn spool. So this is a turning facing tool, and this will between our smaller diameter. And as you can see, I don't have power feed on this. I'll be machining it up to a mark here that's just coming around now, which you can't see. So taking it nice and easy, and that's the distance. Bring the chamfering tool in. We're going to do two chamfers. Chamfer on this corner. There's the first one. Over to a stop. Can't go anymore. Plunge cut chamfer. This is the top edge of the nut. Chamfer around the edge of the nut. And that goes to a stop. Goes tool back over. And you've got your parting off tool. You have it. Clean up the face, and that's ready to bring out. That's ready to bring out of the chuck for the next stop, but that's basically the process. So I'll run them all through like that, then I've got to turn all the items around, chamfer, run the tap through, and we'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so now how we're finishing off is we've got this blank machined off, no thread, so we need to put a chamfer on this edge here, cut the thread up the middle. A bit of thread cutting glue, and making sure the tap's cut full form thread all the way through the nut. And there we have it.